Hey everybody, I am just so grateful. June 1st, 2021, doing a walk around of our beautiful property here in the desert. My Pakistan mulberry. And as you can tell, it's real close to the top now. Even used it. Our pomegranate tree, the one we thought died, but survived a really hot, dehydrating day. We're here in our self-wicking tub. I planted the broccoli. And if I overwater the tub, it'll go into that planter box. So pretty nice that I can do that and save the water for another plant. Got to get out here and get busy again. We've been so busy doing other things that my garden is starting to go crazy on me. See? Let's see, here's another one that Rob did, so that if we overfill these two tubs, it'll go into the strawberry bed. There you have it, cleaning out the greenhouse, making more room, scooting things around. Eventually, this whole area will have self-wicking tubs. They've been very, very successful for us so far. He planted our very first tree we bought for the property, and it's a mulberry. It's one of the things that actually grows well out here, is mulberry. Rob's covering it with rocks. See, he's actually mudding the area, and that's just mud, right? From our ground, right? No cement or anything, but it'll dry like cement. So, he's actually,
not like cement, like hard pan.
Oh, okay.
Like clay.
Oh, like clay.
Well, that's kind of what it is, clay.
That gets hard. Here we go. This is what Rob did. Put all the mud on. And that way, when we do get rain, it'll help to keep it in that enclosure there, inside where the tree is, rather than overflowing and running downhill, because this is kind of on a slope area. But see, I'm higher here, it goes down, and then it continues to run down. Okay, this is our enclosure. We have it opened up right now so that we can have enough sunlight, and we'll be closing it up because it's gonna get cool. I got tomatoes, vines everywhere. We actually have a red tomato think I'm getting ready to pick that one. Okay. So we're out here to water right now, get that done. Some of it looks wet enough, but hey, the plants are surviving, even the basil. See, my basil is surviving because of this plastic enclosure. We couldn't do the greenhouse in plastic this year. Rob just wasn't able to. See? Rob's rolling down our enclosure to keep the plants nice for the night. And most of the others are going to do just fine. Like the cilantro. We're not getting down to freezing, but it will get down to like 40 degrees here. See? So these are all doing good. Yeah. So, got the plastic enclosure down to protect the plants.
I know, there's like 3 main ones.
Yeah.
That are crucial.
I know.
Come on, let's go.
I'm ready, Rob.
Yeah.
Let's go. As you can see, all that rock was from digging that hole. But for the most part, looks like Rob has finally broke through the bottom. So now it's figuring out what we need to do to be able to plant a tree in this hole. Hardware cloth.
Yeah, I don't know why they named cloth.
Yeah, because it's all wire. Fighting against trying to roll this baby up. Want me to?
Yeah, the edge, these little knobs where they are, can really cut you bad.
To the soil, basically, and they grew back. So, and they're going to be beautiful, especially now with this nice weather that we're having. We gotta give them some coffee and banana and eggshells and all of that good stuff for them. I'm even gonna give them some of the aloe vera blend. We had a dream, we created the reality, And now I can honestly say life is beautiful today. Just thought I'd share it with you.